Welcome to Soulful Positivity, your go-to channel for creative DIY projects and life hacks that will brighten your days and fill your life with joy. In this video, we've curated soulful and positive ideas that will make your life easier and happier. Firstly, we introduce you to the power of morning affirmations. Kickstart your day with positive thoughts and watch the magic unfold. Next, discover the joy of DIY gardening. Cultivate your green thumb and watch your positivity grow along with your plants. Thirdly, we delve into the blissful world of yoga. Learn simple yet powerful exercises that can uplift your mood and energize your day. The fourth idea is all about healthy eating. Try our quick and easy recipes that not only taste great, but also nourish your body and soul. Next, we explore the therapeutic power of music. Learn to create your own soothing playlists that can help you relax and rejuvenate. Idea 6 is all about journaling. Pen down your thoughts and emotions. It's a great way to reflect and gain clarity. Idea 7 is about learning a new hobby. Keep your mind engaged and active. It's a great way to chase away boredom and bring in positivity. Next, we talk about the power of gratitude. Embrace the simple act of saying thank you and see how it works wonders in your life. Idea 9 is about decluttering. A clean and organized space can do wonders for your mental well-being. Finally, we discuss the importance of self-love. Remember, you are your biggest cheerleader. Embrace yourself, love yourself. Remember, stay positive, stay creative, and keep spreading those good vibes. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to Soulful Positivity, and ring the notification bell to be the first to know when we share more soulful content. Remember, stay positive, stay creative, and keep spreading those good vibes. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.